Ndewo ndị be anyị. Ka unu mere? How are you today? Aha m bụ Dr. Chuka Ipere. Tata anyị ga-amụ tense ngwụcha, ngwụsị, ngwụcha. Okay? Meaning completion of an action. So it's the same thing as the past participle verb or tenses, okay? We're going to conjugate past participle. I'm gonna use one stone to kill two birds. I just wanted us to conjugate two different verbs at the same time so that we can see the difference, okay? One verb is going to be the light verb. I call it light because the vowel in it has a light sound and the vowel here has a heavy sound. So let's start. Agala m ahịa. Ị gala ahịa. Ọ gala ahịa. Unu agala ahịa. Ha agala ahịa. Anyị agala ahịa. So this is double A with an L. Let's read this down again. You know, I will give you the first clue. You will know the rest, okay? So this is conjugating the first person. That is I. First person pronoun. I. Agalam ahia. I have gone to the market. Igala ahia. You have gone to the market. O gala ahia. He or she or it has gone to the market. Unu agala ahia. You, plural, have gone to the market. Ha agala ahia. They have gone to the market. Anyị agala ahia. We have gone to the market. Now I'm going to conjugate this other side, okay? E rielam nri. I riela nri. O riela nri. Unu eriela nri. Ha eriela nri. Anyị eriela nri. Let's go down the conjugation again. Agalam ahia. I have gone to the market. Igala ahia. You have gone to the market. O gala ahia. He or she or it has gone to the market. Unu agala ahia. You have gone to the market. Ha agala ahia. They have gone to the market. Anya agala ahia. We have gone to the market. Eriela nri. I have eaten. Iriela nri. You have eaten. O riela nri. He or she or it has eaten. Unu eriela nri. You have eaten. Ha eriela nri. They have eaten. Anyị eriela nri. We have eaten. Can you spot the difference? I wish that this class was interactive so that I can hear you. Let's see if we can find the differences, okay? I already translated the sentences into English. I don't want to crowd the board by writing them, but I know you already understand, okay? Because we've done these pronouns. They will help you to know what the rest of the sentence is saying. Well, now let's look at the verbs. So, iga, the verb to go. Ga, ga is the root verb, right? Do you agree with me? A, the letter. Mkpụrụokwu a bụ ụdamfe. The letter A is a light vowel. And because of that, the E, so this is a pattern in Igbo. When you start, when the root verb is a light vowel, this E has to become a light vowel too. So look here, this is a heavy vowel. Re, E. That's why the E in front is heavy. E, re. Look at this one. Iga. So there's the difference is E, A. This sounds like it. The it, the I in it. And this sounds like eat, to eat. You see the difference? If you want to say, look at it, it has a lighter sound than let's eat. All right? Now, the difference again comes with when you're conjugating the I, the sentence for the first person pronoun, which is I in English. Have you seen? For the light vowels, we start with a letter A, and then the verb comes. The past participle verb comes, then an M comes behind the verb. In English, the pronoun is just one letter, I, but in Igbo, I is represented by two letters. Two letters, A and me. Agalam ahia. I have gone to the market. But look over here. Because re, okay, in this sentence, re is the root verb. Is the root verb, right? So, let's look here. Can you see? Nothing happened to the la. Nothing happened to the la. But look where the changes happened. You see this E here? Look at it here. You see this A here? Look at it here. I cannot tell you that it happens for every verb, but most times it takes that shape, okay? Let's continue. So this is an E, or A. It's called A in Igbo. And this is a me, erielam, note. Can you remember that? Now let's come down to another difference. So you know we have first person, second person, third person single pronouns, right? I, you, and she or he or it. So let's assume we're doing singular and plurals. Can you see the first, these first three don't have, I'm sorry. They don't have any letter before, in front of the G. So, agalam ahia, igala ahia, ogala ahia. Then when we come to unu, which is plural they, unu, agala ahia, boom. Ha, agala ahia. So you see the difference comes out here. The la is still the same. The la never changed. Okay? Now let's move over to the other side. Look here. Eriela muri. There shouldn't be any dot here. Rielanri. O rielanri. Then uno. When you get to the uno, an e emerges in the front as a prefix. As a prefix. So it goes uno. Rielanri. Ha. Rielanri. Ani. Rielanri. Take your time. Take your time. One sentence after the other. Even if it's 2 sentences a day that you master, that's good enough. Watch the patterns, okay? Now, I want to show you again. There's another suffix that is used when conjugating past participles. That suffix, like la, is go, go. Gi, o, gi, o. Let me make an example or give you an example. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna write with this so that it stands out. I, gago, gago, ahia. You have gone to the market. Can you see it? I gago. In this go, there is no dot ever. Just like la is the same for all the sentences. So whether whether it's a light verb in the root verb or not, it goes go. And it's how people from Anambra State speak their own. But the Central Igbo is actually la. But go is common because if you speak it anywhere in Igbo land, they will understand what you're talking about. Obiago, the same thing as saying Obiala. Origo. So let's conjugate another one here. Origo. Uri. He or she or it has eaten food. Food is uri. Has eaten food. So I'm gonna just write it. So she or he or it has eaten food. So I'd like you to go home and practice. Practice. Would you want me to give you some verbs to practice with? Yes? All right. Give me a second. So I'm going to pick 2 verbs that we have already conjugated in past videos, okay? One of them is iwa, to dance. The other one is iku, to speak. Are you gonna be able to do it? Or do I make another video after you submit your work? Try your best, okay? Even if you have to ask somebody to help you with the first conjugation, which is the first person pronoun I. So if you want to say I danced or I have danced, the other one you would say I have spoken. Can you do that for me? All right, I think we can stop here. And looking at what you've done, I'm going to make another video and I'll call it the correction to the homework. Is that okay? Thank you. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to share. All right? I hope you had a good holiday. 4th of July yesterday. I had a good one. At least I got to sleep. I also went to a party. So have a blessed day.